Hey everybody, this is Sean at High Drop Farm. I thought this video about moving bees in a stock trailer in hot weather might be useful to somebody. I moved 80 hives in here. I'll show you in a minute what I did inside to get airflow in between them. I put green on the outside with lath and self-drilling wood to metal screws to hold them down. So there's all kinds of screws you can get for different jobs, and they got these from Menards. They're called something like wood to metal screws, and they've got a little cutting thing at the end like a drill bit has. So it'll actually cut through the metal, make a hole, and then the threads will go in and bite in. Of course, it's not bee proof. I had a terrible adventure on the way up here from Kansas to Wisconsin. On I-35, my wheel on my truck started to fall off, and so I had a falling off wheel and no brakes and a trailer full of bees on one of the hottest days of the year. Fortunately, it was near evening and I was able to limp to a gas station and park in some shade. But anyway, I got somebody to tow me and my bees up here last night. Expensive, but I saved the bees. They did not overheat. This is a 16-foot gooseneck stock trailer. I put 20 layers on the bottom, and those floorboards have gaps in between them for air to come up. I put pallets on the sides, free pallets that I got from local businesses down there where I was moving the bees from. That kept the hives away from the metal of the side of the trailer that could get hot while the sun was shining on it, especially when I was stopping for gas stations or whatever. I put a layer of pallets in between the top layer and the bottom layer of hives. As you can see, there's feeder boxes on there, kind of the style that Barnyard Bees uses, and they were kind of handy on this trip because I was able to keep an air gap in between them that way without using too many shims. And it was kind of nerve-wracking, but just got to keep moving, keep the ventilation. If you stop, try to find some shade and try not to stop because it gets hot fast when you stop.